All right, here we are, page 16. And if you take a look, updating the score. To get the score working, we're going to follow the same pattern we use when switching players. We'll add variables, functions, calls to the function. For now, just use the console log statements to verify we've got things working. Okay, so first thing to do, add two variables to the top of the code. Player 1 score, player 2 score. All right, so we're going to create the variables. Let's see, at the very top. And then I want, first one is P1 score, and that equals 0 to start. And then P2 score equals 0. Okay, that's the first step. Add a new function definition, update score by with an if statement console log. All right, so we got to create a new function, peoples. All right, I'm going to go here to functions, and right underneath, I'm going to do it right between line 17 and 18. It's going to be called update score by. All right, with an if statement and console log to verify. Oh, and there's an if statement in there. They're pretty much giving us the answers right up here. Oh, and look, there's a parameter. This is that weird thing, AMT, that's like amount. Watch this. All right, so you're going to call the score, and there's what's called a parameter. Don't get too much in the weeds on that, but just do what I'm doing. All right, you ready? So if current player, I need an if statement in here. All right, it says if current player equals 1, then I'm going to reassign my variable. P1 score equals P1 score plus AMT. That's probably amount. And if else, then player 2 score. All right, got it. Same thing. So this is pretty much making sure this only happens. You only can get points on your turn. All right. And then they want some console logs in here. They pretty much give it to you up here, which is kind of nice. And then once again, the console logs just make sure we're doing it right. P1 score, and then so it's a string, and I'm going to add the variable P1 score. And I'm going to do the same thing for P2 score. And then I'm going to do plus P2 score. All right. So here's what I just added. Now I've not called this yet. Add calls to update score by to the appropriate place inside the if statement in the check correct function. All right. In the check correct function. All right, where's my check correct function? All right, here it is. So I'm going to just call it down here. What was that one called? Update score by. I did update. And right here, this like little amount, I can decide like how many points I want it to go. All right. Oh, it needs to be in the if statement. Oh, I got it. All right. So here we go. Update score by. All right. I'm going to end this one. And I'm going to finish this one up in the next one. All right. So to be continued.